G'day there, Jason here from Australia, and I'm one of the students of Dave's new Mastering the Art of Glue Chipping Glass online course that he launched just a week ago. Now I'm talking to you because you've been on the wait list, and I was on the wait list just like yourself, and I took the plunge and decided to enroll, and I've got to tell you, just after a week, it's just been incredible what's in this class. As you know, if you haven't already seen the email, but David's got a special offer on at the moment that ends on the 24th, I think, of May. And if you haven't jumped on there, I would jump on there and grab that now. There's special bonuses in there, the vector files that he's designed, just beautiful. And they'll just fast track just the amount of work. I can't believe how much actual content he's put into this. Well, I should be able to. It's Dave, and he's the master at it. So, but yeah, if you've done one of Dave's courses before, you won't be disappointed with this one. It is just absolutely brilliant. A little bit about my journey with gilding, not so much gilding, but glue chipping. I've always loved it. I've dabbled in it. I've tried to learn it from sort of YouTubes and all those things, and as we do these days, but I was getting really mixed results. I don't know if you've ever seen something like this come off your glass, but basically this is one of my attempts that I had, and it just didn't work. Just the whole sheet just peeled up, taking big shards with it and that sort of thing too. And then I did have some luck. I managed to get this piece chipped following the internet instructions and various things, but still terribly crappy sort of gilding. It's just big chunks and shards, inconsistent chipping and all that sort of stuff. So when Dave said he was releasing this course, I thought, oh man, I can't wait for that. I'm going to jump on it. And then I guess being on the wait list, you're included in the pre-launch sort of thing. So it hasn't even launched to the public yet. So it really is a great opportunity if you haven't already, or you're sitting on the fence and considering it, just to get on there and grab it while you can. Dave hasn't paid me to do this testimonial. I'm just doing it. I just sent it to him because I was just talking with him in the Facebook group and stuff, and just was which is another good thing with this group. It's there's a great Facebook community which is actually in there helping each other, and it's starting to get a lot of momentum as well. So well worth doing. But I'll just show you the piece that I've already finished. This is the first letter. This is the first letter in the course, and honestly, he takes you through everything you need to do this. Like I'm not a confident glue chipper by any stretch. I've had to really try. And we're in Australia here too, so our conditions are totally different. But with Dave's instruction, you go through and follow his advice and the like, and you get to make these beautiful letters, which are just stunning. And it's just really worth having a go at, and jumping on board if you're considering it or you're sitting on the fence. Can't recommend the course highly enough. It's just packed with great stuff. Anyway, hope to see you in the Facebook group and join up, and we're all in there having a good time and getting this chipping thing under control. Good on you. Thanks for your time. Bye.